All right, everybody, welcome back. We're diving back into the world of Disney today,
That we are.
and we've got quite a bit to unpack.
Yeah.
So, we're looking at resort renovations,
Mm-hmm.
some pretty major leadership changes, and even a fan favorite festival coming back to Epcot.
Buckle up.
So yeah, let's jump right in.
Sounds good.
Okay, first up, let's head over to Bay Lake Tower at Disney's Contemporary Resort.
Oh, the contemporary.
Yeah, and I know this might not sound like the most thrilling topic,
Crush it.
but trust me, it's actually pretty interesting.
I'm all ears.
So they're kicking off a year-long refurbishment, starting with the top floor and working their way down.
Wow, a whole year. That's a pretty big undertaking.
It is, and a lot of people might just think, oh, they're just like freshening things up, but there's actually a lot more to it.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Like, we're seeing this trend across the whole hospitality industry, this push towards creating like really elevated guest experiences.
Right, like it's not just about having a nice room anymore. It's about the whole experience.
Exactly. It's about those personalized touches.
Yes.
Seamless technology integration, really just going above and beyond to make every stay memorable.
Like making it really special.
Exactly. So this renovation, it's likely part of that bigger picture for Disney.
Makes sense. Got to keep up with the times.
And speaking of time, this refurbishment, it's going until September 2025.
Wow, next year.
Yeah. So anybody listening who has a trip planned, and Bay Lake Tower's on your list, you might want to,
Think about the timing.
Yeah, exactly. Factor that into your planning.
Good point.
Okay. Now, moving on to some really big news. We've got a new chairman of the board coming to Disney.
Oh, this is a big one.
It is. So James P. Gorman, you might know him. He's the current head honcho over at Morgan Stanley.
Big finance guy.
Exactly. And he's taking the reins as Disney's chairman starting January 2025.
That's quite a shift going from the world of finance to the Magic Kingdom.
It is. And, Gorman's background, it's deeply rooted in finance, obviously.
Right.
So it's super interesting that Disney chose somebody with that very specific expertise.
It got to be strategic, right?
Right. And, the entertainment landscape, it's undergoing some massive changes.
Oh, yeah.
So this appointment, I think it could really signal that Disney is prioritizing, financial stability and strategic growth to navigate all of that.
It makes you think, where are they headed?
Exactly. And especially because, get this, the search for a new CEO.
Oh, right. They're still looking.
Yeah, it's still ongoing. And they're not expecting to make an announcement until early 2026.
So we've got Gorman at the helm, but we don't know who he'll be working with.
It's like a puzzle. We've got one piece, but the rest is still a mystery.
And how those pieces fit together, that'll shape the whole picture.
Exactly. So it's definitely something to keep an eye on.
Definitely.
But let's not forget the magic happening in the parks, right?
Of course not. That's the heart of it all.
Exactly. So for anyone who loves art, good food,
Ooh, count me in.
the Epcot International Festival of the Arts is coming back.
Yes. This is one of my favorites.
It's from January 17th to February 24th, 2025.
Mark your calendars, folks.
So this festival, it's more than just like a fun event,
What do you mean?
Like it taps into this growing desire that people have for immersive experiences.
Right. They want to be a part of it, not just watch.
Exactly. And it goes beyond just the typical theme park offerings,
It's like they're raising the bar.
They are. So you've got visual art displays, culinary creations inspired by famous works, and live performances. It's all blended together.
It's like a feast for the senses.
It is. It really is. And it's a unique way for Disney to, showcase creativity, engage a wider audience,
Oh, sure.
and even promote some of their sub-brands like Disney on Broadway.
It's all connected.
And, of course, we've got the returning favorites, the Disney on Broadway concert series, the kids' chalk art.
Oh, that's so cute.
Yeah, it's really an event the whole family can enjoy.
Love that.
So, yeah, we've covered quite a bit today.
We have a lot going on in the world of Disney.
We've got Bay Lake Tower getting a makeover,
A big one.
a finance expert stepping in as chairman,
Interesting choice.
and Epcot gearing up for a celebration of art and culture.
Can't wait.
Yeah, it really makes you think,
About what?
about how all of these changes are going to shape the Disney experience over the next few years.
Right. Like, how will they balance the books with the magic?
Exactly. It's a time of transition, evolution,
Exciting times.
and it'll be fascinating to see what unfolds.
Absolutely. And to all our listeners out there, what do you think?
Yeah. What are your predictions for the future of Disney?
Let us know.
Share your thoughts, and we'll see you next time for another deep dive.
See ya. Bye.